Here's a 2012 Cadillac SRX. Dramatic elegance and sophistication for your everyday. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, automatic transmission, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. The Truth About Cars observes, the original severe forms have been softened to add some conventional beauty to the mix, but it's still bolder than the competition and distinctively Cadillac. Cadillac is driving the world forward. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value.